Hi there. I'm gonna be making a game for the Big Game Jam hosted by G Develop and Helper Vespers. Let's get started. Theme for the jam was unstable, so I kinda wanted to make some game like Wobble made in the Ludum Dare 49. But we had this glitch. It took me so many painful hours to fix it, but
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
then I made a square kinda thick because I wanted a triangle. I moved it downwards and I rotated it in a way so it looked like it was a triangle, but it actually was a diamond underneath. That was so big brain. Next, we're going to use the JSFXR to make some audio sound effects. That was kind of cool. I wanted it to sound cool and nice and polished, so that's why. Now we had this thing. It was kind of nice, but it was missing one really important thing: bug fixes and sprites. So, after some bug fixes and programming, I started to work on the sprites, and after that, we had something like this. As you can see, the blocks are a little bigger, and you can still do the main things, but it just looks so much better.
Oh my god! Wow!
So, bye.